Hello students, today we will go through chapter number 3 where no one can see. The name of the chapter is Where No One Can See. So this chapter will be narrated with the story of a person whose name is Mr. Hassan and who had three sons. The name were Farooq, Abdullah and Qasim. So what was the name of his sons? Farooq, Abdullah and Qasim. So a very kind person and he was a very noble person. He was a very good Muslim by himself, and also word command is written in the right hand side of the chapter. You can see here the red color words. You have to remember this and you have to go through the meaning of these words, which is very clearly written in the right side of the chapter. Okay, so let us begin the chapter. So Mr. Hassan, one day he told his three of his sons together, and there he gave a task to all his sons. He asked his sons sweets to run along and eat up these sweets in a place where nobody could see them, and later on he asked them to come back and say the thing what they did in the see them. So Farooq went to his room and he locked up his door. He locked up the door from inside, and feeling sure that he made sure that nobody could observe him, nobody could see him, and he was very quite sure that nobody was looking at him, and he ate up his sweets which was given by his father. Abdullah, in the other hand, was very keen, and he also went to his house attic. Attic is a place where the roof of a building, so it is a place which we call a store room, which is a very dark place. So he went there and hid himself from so that nobody could see him, and he ate up all his third son Qasim was very thoughtful. He couldn't eat up his sweets, and he realized that because the place everywhere he went, he realized that somebody was looking at him, somebody was observing, and later on he realized that it was none but Allah who was observing him. So in the fear of Allah, he couldn't eat the sweets which was given by his fathers. So he later on went back to their father. Farooq was the first who said to his father, I have eaten all my sweets, and I also ensured that nobody was looking at him. So as Abdullah also said to his father that he also ate up his sweets without making sure. But his third son Qasim, Mr. Hassan saw that of sweets clutched in his hands. So this is another word. The meaning of this word is written in the right hand side of the page. That is, clutch means holding something tightly. So he was holding his sweets in the right hand very tightly, and Mr. Hassan said that, what happened to you? Why didn't you eat up your sweets? Then he replied that I was not in a position to eat up the sweets because like my brothers, I also went in many places to hide myself, but it was not possible from my part to hide myself from Allah. He realized that Allah is the one who could see him eating his sweets. So he couldn't eat his sweets. With this, Mr. Hassan was very pleased with the words of Qasim, and he said to his rest of his sons that you should learn many things. You can learn many things from, and he gave a lesson to him that nothing is there in the we should remember this, that Allah knows everything and see everything. He also said that we should be mindful of Allah, and he will take care of you and ours always. So with this I would like to end up the chapter discussion. Thank you.